Hey, what's up, you guys? How you guys doing today? This is me again with another video. So today I'm gonna be installing, so I got one car part, right? So I got my new, what's it called, I got the rain guards for my car. So yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing this one, my rain guards, and installing them on my 2019 WRX. So let's just get started. I don't even got it. So as I was trying to unbox this, I couldn't open the box, so I had to pause the video and what's it called, get the tapes out. But this is all that comes in a box, and this is the original Subaru rain guards. So yeah, so we got the two for the front, I believe, and then the two for the rear. And then we got the manual. So this thing's about to be looking nice. This is my car. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and install this. So to install this, once you want to make sure you peel half. So the reason you want to do this is because you're gonna put this one on. You're gonna put this and that on the thing, and then you just want to put it on the right place, and then it peels right off. So it will make your life a lot easier. Next one, you want to do the same thing. You want to peel the corners and make sure this thing stays like that, because otherwise it's gonna be hard. Like I just went through that. So let me get this one right here. And then install it. guys, so I just finished installing the first two, and like as you can see, it looks really nice with the windows up. Just turned my car around. Like I wish I could have got that in video, but I just forgot, you know. But I mean, here's what it looks like before. Alright guys, I just got done with installing all 4 rain guards, and the car looks so much better. I mean, in my opinion, it's just something useful. So I think that should, like, what's it called, help a lot when you're driving on the highway, and then you see that air coming in through the windows and stuff. That should prevent that from like happening now. I still don't like this gaps though. Like I think I probably did something wrong or anything, or I don't know. And like here's the exhaust that I installed previous video, holding up real good. It's not really loud or anything, but I mean it also looks good, you know. Like the other one didn't used to look like that. And that was the walk around the car. Let me just put all the windows up so you guys can see the thing is where the rain guards were installed. It just looks so nice. For some reason, my daylight running lights are off. You know, I probably got to turn it on. And yeah, the gap I don't like. Other than that, the car just looks badass.